Hello friends, this tutorial is about disabling emojis in your WordPress with code snippet. So what are emojis in WordPress? Emojis are not what you see, like it's not regular emojis that you type in with your keyboard. WordPress has its own implementation. It replaces all these emojis with image. So it is done for staying consistent across devices, on mobile, on desktop, but it will slow down your website a little bit, and it has other problems. It will add some code, some JavaScript, some CSS to your website, and in some networks it will not work properly. So when this emoji replaced by image, if that image is not reachable, it will show error in your website. And refresh this page. So now you see that there is some image tried to load, but it gave an error, and we see it will look like this. So this can happen on your local website or on internal corporate website as well. So to avoid this, also let's see what happens in source. So right click on your page and click inspect, Ctrl F and search for emoji. This code is added by WordPress. It tries to replace all emoji icons with an image from WordPress website. Additionally, if you switch to JavaScript tab, you will see that it adds WP emoji release JavaScript extras JavaScript file to all your pages. This JavaScript will be added no matter if you use emoji, if you don't use emoji, it will be added every time on all your WordPress pages. So we want to remove this, and this code snippet will remove this JavaScript, will remove these image replacements, and will speed up your WordPress website. To get code snippet, navigate to my website webpa.com/disable emojis. I will put a link in description as well. So navigate to code snippet on that page, copy this code snippet, then go to your WordPress dashboard, navigate to snippets and add new one. Because I already added new one, I will show you how it's here. So give descriptive name and paste code snippet here. So you can put some test emojis here as well, give tag and then save changes. It will be activated, or you can activate it from here as well. And now when we visit, these emojis are not replaced, and it uses your Windows or your Android or your device, whatever device you use, your device emojis. So let's see how WordPress emojis slow down, or how it affects your website page load speed. I have made the test. So this is with disabled emojis, I get 100, and this is with enabled emojis, so with WordPress emojis, I still get 100. So there is no difference in score. This is a page, my home page, with 5 emoji icons. But when we scroll down and check details, we can see that third parties, 5 extra images were loaded from WordPress website, and it's a third-party image, so it's not from your website, it's from WordPress hosting. Third-party images are not always good, and it's advised to disable them when possible, for security reasons, for speed, and for reliability. So if you are using not reliable network, or if WordPress is not working properly it may break some time, so you will get error like this, as you can see here. Also in internal websites, in localhost, in corporate websites, you can see error like this as well. So in order to avoid it, you need to disable emojis. Additionally, these are 3 main reasons why you need to avoid third-party resources. So speed, as we mentioned, and errors, and privacy as well. So the third party can log your IP, your browser type, your operating system, time when you access that page, and URL, referral URL. So they will log my website URL as well. So to avoid these privacy issues, you can disable emojis. And the main reason for WordPress providing those emojis is for all browsers that don't support emojis, and for browser differences, browser and operating system differences. For example, this is how emoji looks on Windows 11, and this is how it looks on Android 13. So it's slightly different, like some emojis different. Generally they are same, but you can understand this is snake and this is also snake, but it looks a bit different depending on your operating system. So on iPhones you will probably see different emojis as well. So WordPress uses it to stay consistent, to provide consistent experience for all users across all devices that visit your website. So if you visit this page, and this is I'm using on Windows 11, so this is how it looks on my browser, on my operating system. So visit this website and see how these emojis look, and are they different to one of them shown here. Over the time as well, these emojis can change. For example, with different version of Android, you will have different version of emojis as well. So if you don't worry about the differences, then you can safely disable those emojis. So you might say there is a plugin for disabling emojis, and yes, I was using that plugin for a long time, but it's not working everywhere. For example, when I use a plugin, I still see some image replacements in WordPress admin. So let me show you. I will disable code snippet, go to plugins, and enable this plugin. And now if I go to my posts, you see here emoji is replaced with image. But on other places it's okay, it's disabled. For example, if I view this page, it's disabled on front end, but on admin I still see some emojis are not replaced, are not disabled. For example, here as well. So I add extra code to code snippets that makes sure they are disabled everywhere. So this extra code that I added to disable the image replacement everywhere, in your admin, in your front end, everywhere. So this works better. So I enabled it. Let's see. See, these are not replaced by images. That's how you can disable emojis and increase performance of your website, as well as increase privacy of your website, WordPress website. If you wonder how I get this 100 PageSpeed score for my WordPress website, I increased it from 65 to 100 with 3 easy steps. And I have a checklist that you can download from my website, webpa.com/speed. I'll post a link in description as well. So it's easy to follow checklist, PDF checklist that I use on all my WordPress websites. You can follow steps on that checklist and get high 90 plus page speed score, probably 100, even 100 page speed score on your WordPress website for mobile devices. So thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more tutorials, more code snippets. See you in next videos. Bye.